Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix ad friend not showing on Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app. Here let's go to menu. Now here you can see the setting gear, tap on it and then scroll a little down, and here you can see how people find and contact you. Just tap on it, and here you can see who can send you friend request. Tap on it and do it to everyone. Now this is the one way that you can send the friend request or other can send the friend request to you. But the next thing is, you can see that blocking options. If the next person is blocked you, then you would not be able to send them the friend request. And one more thing is, if that person do not give the option of adding friends and that person give the option to follow, then also in that situation you can also not send them the friend request. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content. Thanks guys.